What if I told you that beginners with zero list, zero website, zero experience are earning daily commissions online using one simple system? In this video, I'll show you exactly how Affiliate One works and why it's exploding in 2025. Stay until the end. I reveal a bonus strategy that multiplies your earnings instantly. Welcome back to the channel where we break down real methods that make real money. Today, Affiliate One. It's fast. It's beginner friendly. And yes, it actually pays. Affiliate One is an all-in-one affiliate marketing system created by real seven-figure marketers. It gives you done-for-you funnels, copy, emails, and traffic methods, so beginners can simply plug in and profit. Here's the secret: Affiliate One is already optimized. It's split-tested to convert. And unlike old affiliate products, you don't have to figure everything out alone. You get DFY pages, DFY emails, DFY traffic plan, support plus private group. Beginners are reporting daily commissions, not months from now, but within days of starting. The system does the heavy lifting, you collect the results. Inside Affiliate One, you'll find a full success path. Step-by-step video tutorials. High converting automated funnel. Free and paid traffic strategies. Bonuses worth over $1,500. Let's break the numbers down. 10 clicks a day with just 5% conversion, small commissions stack quickly. Now imagine 100 clicks or more. That's how people scale from small wins to big profits. Affiliate One is perfect for stay-at-home parents, students, side hustlers, complete beginners, anyone tired of trial and error. Want to double your earnings? Use short-form video traffic. TikTok, YouTube Shorts, Instagram Reels. Drive viewers directly to your funnel. Affiliate One handles the conversion. Ready to start earning daily commissions? Click the link in the description and join Affiliate One right now. Don't wait, the best time to start was yesterday. The second best time is today. Smash that like button, subscribe, and comment Affiliate One if you want more videos like this.